Where's everyone?
Hey, the time is, it's like 2 minutes to 8. No one's here. No one's fucking here. There's 4 of us. There's Sam, Chris, and Matt. We might be. Where's David? Need a couple minutes, boss.
Yeah, fine.
They laughed at me. Come on, David. Alright, people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. As you can see, we're top of the tree, 2 out of 2. Yeah? Can we go 3 for 3? We're playing a brand new team this week. I know nothing about them. But you know what? Let's welcome them to Div 2. Alright, CC versus DFC. Chris takes one early. It's blocked straight away. Anyway, we're in for a good one here. New team, new challenge. Let's get it cracking. But hold on. There's a Power Ranger on the pitch. Anyway, they come close twice. That's a let off. We started off slow. Anyway, Cam gets the ball. Hits once, just wide. David with it, back to Cam. It's meant to go to Matt, but it's just wide. Sam's done well. Right, the boys are starting to move the ball around now. Cam, David. Takes from their player, takes it to the corner. You know he's going to stand you up. That's 1-0. It's Chris. They thought he was just the goalkeeper. 1-0 to the boys.
Slow it down if you need to. Slow it down if you need to.
Again, 5 aside, you can't do that. You have to pass it twice before you pass it back to the keeper.
Just run him in the corner, run him, yeah?
Anyway, we go again.
Well done, Chris.
Power Ranger loses out to Chris. All those muscles won't help you here, son. Sam rolls it out to Matt. Takes control. Out wide to Cam. Slow the game down to his own pace. Gets his shot off. Saved by the keeper. Hustle him to get it back. They just slow down in the middle there. Anyway, Cam wins it back. Cam's lively. So is David. Sometimes I don't need to commentate when the football's this good. Watch.
Oh, unlucky. Yeah. Oh.
2 great shots coming at them. But coming at them fast. It's 1-0 still. They're holding on. There's only for so long you can hold on. Until it gets on tops.
Well done, Matt. Good, yes.
They thought he was just the defender. That's Matt. Anyway, 2-0 to the boys now. Slowly building into the game. He tried to shoot, it's cheeky. It's no good. Fingertip save from the boy Sam. But they get one back. That was one of their better players on the day. Anyway, 2-1 to the boys. They got one back. But are they back in it?
Oh, Cam! Unlucky, bro. Work it back then.
That's a great move from David. The visions are impeccable.
Oh, lucky Cam, work it then.
Cam loses it in the middle. At this point, they haven't really got too much, you know. They're just shooting from far.
Well played, Matt.
That's another one for Matt. 3-1. Starting to take control. boy Chip in there and H were meant to turn up,
Good shot, Sam.
but they didn't. Cam's toying with the keeper. 4-1. Now we're in motion.
Control the die, Cam. Well done, Matt.
Again with their long shots, they're not going too far though. But hold on, Matt.
Well played.
That's free for Matt.
Striker.
They thought he was just a defender. He said the boys didn't turn up today, so I'm gonna turn up for him. Anyway, David retrieving possession. Ooh, pass goes wayward, but they get a shot off and it's just wide. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, we're driving forward. Big man's got to close his legs there. Anyway, ball at the back, slow down. I give it to the ballers. David, the pass through is impeccable. David, Cam, finish. You know how the story goes. 6-1, and it's not even half time. Furthermore, I don't think it's 10 minutes yet. Anyway, they get a shot off, comes off the upright. Cam comes in to hustle him. He comes against me. Cam nicks it. Remember I told you, that's where the battle started. But it's not where the war ends. Anyway, Cam's still hustling. You can see he's had his porridge for breakfast. Anyway, they get a shot off and it goes wide. No good, nothing. This guy was half decent, but shot blocked. Anyway, David with it. You know he's going to take his time, pick a pass out. Puts one in, gets one back. 7-1. Puts it in the corner. Keeper can't get down that quick. 7-1. Kids on the sideline sound like they're ready to go home. It's a shame, really. They bought them out. Should let them stay at home. Anyway, Power Ranger knocks it across. Big boy. Big boy's got some feet though, man. Man can't even get me. This is his thing. His thing was alright, man. Anyway, reset. Sam starts off. Cam. Seen the opening. 8-1, the party started. Welcome to Div 2. I've always said I think it's bad how just because there's a space in a league that a team should just join that league where the space is. I feel like they should start from the bottom because this is a mismatch. But if you want to play the clampers, play the campers. Anyway, Cam in the corner with it. Good. Starts again. Bit of great footwork over there. I'll slow it home. It's a great ball from the boy Matt. 9-1. It's a party at our place.
Welcome to Div 2.
Punters on the sideline saying, welcome to Div 2. Chris is trying to show them as well. Alright, Chris with a great half turn. Gets his shot off.
Touch.
Keeper saves.
Ooh, that's on YouTube now.
David with the poor touch. Doesn't matter though. We start again. 9-1. Matt. He's got that taste for goal at the moment. 10-1. Kids on the sideline sounding sad. Wish we could send them home early. Anyway, this guy, he was very mishmashy. Sometimes he looked good and sometimes he looked bad. You can see the way he got away there. A few Cruyff turns. Gets it out there. Passes to his friend. His friend messes up the move. Anyway, Matt into David. David, perfect ball into me. I just couldn't get there. Anyway, I started the back. I got the ball. Give it to the boy Chris. Told you, kids on the sideline complain they want to go home. It's not good. Cam collects. Loses his player right in front of goal. It takes a certain caliber of player to do that. Not anyone could do that. I wouldn't dare. Anyway, looks like the boys have finally woken up. 10-1. He's in the area. You thought I spoke too soon. Anyway, Cam coming forward, showcasing his capabilities now. Really taking the scruff of the game by the neck. Oh, that little flick around the corner would have been beautiful. Still 10-1. That one didn't go in. Matt coming forward, across to me with a volley. Oh, it's not a bad save from him. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention they changed keeper. I understand why. Anyway, Nobes. What happened there, man? To be fair, it was wet. We'll let him live. Cam going forward, 1-on-1. We know how this one ends. 11-1. This is how it goes. Welcome to Div 2. Get a shot off and it's nothing to worry about. I got the ball. Slow the thing down. Give it to Sam. And that's half time.
We've gone to their level, innit? You know when you play opposition that's not...
We're not giving it up.
Yeah, so we're not giving... Yeah, a bit sloppy and all that.
We're in by as many goals as we can every week.
What's the score?
10-1.
10-1.
10-1.
Yeah. That's not, I thought it was closer than that.
Matt, you have 4. Cam, you have 4. Chris 1. TJ 1.
Stop being greedy, man. I need 4 as well, right? Yeah, just pass me the ball every time and I'll hopefully get 4.
It's a Cam show. Late night.
You know how it goes. So I know Liam and Hayes.
I messaged in the chat and I haven't heard anything.
Let's actually work it and get 15 as well.
15 extra goals or?
Yeah, 15 extras, mate.
He said it. He said it, 15 extra. What's they get in Div 2 then? I don't understand.
I think it's just there was only a space in Div 2, so they must have like.
That's mad. They should move people up like progressively.
I don't mind, they're alright, but a little Power Ranger fucker just from the start was trying to get aggressive, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Talking about vet.
Alright, second half underway, 11-1. The starters need to go on. David shrugs him off like a fly on him. Don't touch my shirt. Gets a shot off. Saved by the keeper. Anyway, Sam rolls out to Cam. Dances past 1. Dances past 2. Just ran off a little bit. Cam in the corner again. Dancing on ice. Past 2. Easy. Got him on skates. Find Chris. Chris shoots. Safe from the keeper. Anyway, they started moving the ball around. They pass into the middle. They get one back. Chris again with the shot from kickoff. Just wide. Rebounds as well. Anyway, they're driving forward. That one's off the upright. They a couple shots off.
Hit now.
Oh shit. 11-3. 2 in quick succession.
That's a
Can we
great
reply?
ball. Finish it off. Good.
Cam says that's light work.
Monday nights under the lights. It's the Cam show. Help him, yeah. Someone offer him. Cam, do line. Good. Good. Love that. Yes.
It's another one for Matt. 13-3. They got 2 back and I think that shook us up a bit. Let's go again, man. That one was cheeky. 14-3. They said we can go ban for ban. We can go goal for goal. Let's go. They're replying quick succession. 14-4. 10 in there. Don't know why they stopped. First rule in football. Play to the whistle. 15-4.
you.
Game slowed down
Did
to
you
the
count that, Chris?
kids on the sideline shouting for defense. Keeper's done well there, mate. Since they scored those quick fire goals, we've woken up. Shape's much better. We're holding them back. They're not going nowhere. David's a brick wall. You know what's going on. Takes one on. You know that's an easy finish, man.
We are 5 this half so far, yeah?
16-4. Chris asked for 15 more. I think we're starting to knock on the door. The way the ball's being played,
Well
I'm just
played,
losing.
Cam.
Cam wins it back.
Go Power Rangers!
That one's definitely got to hurt, boy.
I mean, it's his own fault for trying to get him rough on Cam, isn't it? Bury that, Cam. Good clearance, Cam.
16-4. That guy's got a headache. I'll take him for one. Take him for two. Fine, Cam. That's an easy finish. 17-4. We're in the corner. I win it back. He's twisted out. I don't know what's happened. I told you. Head injury. Ref should have taken him off. Shouldn't have let him play on. Cam coming forward. Oh! I get a shot off and the keeper saves. 17-4. Still knocking on the door. We're looking for more.
Oh, unlucky, Cam. Well
That's not what I
in.
was talking about. 18-4, we've got our claws in them. Aye, Sam with a great save. That's our cat. Aye, if we were allowed overhead high, that would have been beautiful. But we're not. Ball given back to them. This guy just dancing around. Gets one back. I feel sorry for good players in half decent teams because they stand out. Anyway, 18-5. Game's far from being alive. Can't wait for him to get back up. Takes him on again. Leaves him on the floor again. His friend comes to back his brethren. 18-5. This was their guy. Remember I told you that there was a battle brewing. You didn't listen. It's gone in. Can't remember how it went in, but it went in. 19-5. This team's done now. Welcome to Div 2. Chris with it. Gets a shot off. Low and hard. Keeper saves. I retrieve it. Gives back to him. Kelly's having another goal.
Anyone can score.
No, I don't think so.
25. We think we're still in Div 4. My shot comes off the post. I hold it up.
That's what I'm bugging.
Into the corner I go. Slow the game down. Little one into Cam. Cam to David. Gets across to Christian. It goes wayward. Anyway, David with it in the corner. Finds that ball into Cam. By now we know how the story goes.
We said 25-6. It's messing up my rhythm here.
Sorry?
It's messing up my rhythm.
21-5. The game's over. Cam's just having fun at this point. Tries to chip the keeper. Tries to get it across the Cam. Keeper saves. That's definitely got to hurt his toes. Anyway, little back here to David. David coming forward. They catch him. Don't think Chris heard the whistle. David to Cam. Nothing comes from it though. Chris leaves his player on the floor. Swings out. Ref doesn't call it. I get the ball and ping it across. Remember, this is the guy that got the head injury. I think he's done now. 22-5, I don't blame him for going home. I would have left at 10. But for the club I bleed. For the club I love. My dearest. Oh, I pulled out of that one. But Cam said, fuck that, I'm gonna get it back.
Good.
Finish my dinner. $23-5, Chris, just joking. This guy is slipping and sliding everywhere. Finds the ball across. He said something in his language like, slow it down, slow it down. Chris said, fuck that, let's get that out of it. 23-5. Sam's outside for the last 5. I went in goal. But that's Matt going forward. It's unlucky, it's just dribbling for the keeper. Anyway, gets shot off. This gets past my leg. 23-6. Chris got the ball on the side. That ball would have been good. It's come off David. They get a shot off. I save one. Sam gets it. They get another one. I try my best, but I'm not a keeper. Chris said, hold on. Got other ideas. 24-7. We won this last week's score. And nice and easy. Quick distribution out to David. David, a little pass intercepted. They're coming forward now. They realise I'm the weak link in goal. They're just taking shots from everywhere. Chris retrieves. Anyway, little one forward. They've just saved themselves there. 24-7. Game must come to a close. Matt said I've got a few more to score. $25-7.
Not over yet, mate.
They're arguing about something.
How's the other game?
I think it was in the area, or it was at the area.
One more minute.
But really, the scoreline was never going to change. 25-7. We'll give them a goal back if they want it. I don't mind.
Stand him, Chris. Stand him. Don't dive in. Stand him. Stand him. Unlucky.
25-8. I told you, they started taking more shots now that I'm in goal. Conceded 3 in 5 minutes. Disgusting. Sam intercepts. He's getting the shot off. Matt with it now. Ball just being moved around. I'm screaming at Chris to get higher. Matt. Little back heel was red and intercepted, but he gets it back in blood. Anyway, a little jockey, he's giving up early. I've made a save for him.
Man on!
Guy looks fed up. Anyway, David going past one. Second one gets it back. He shoots and it goes wayward. Anyway, game done, man. 25-8.
Yes, boys, well in!
Alright. Welcome to Div 2, man.
First 5 minutes.
Quick picture.
Huh?
Quick picture.
Welcome to Div 2, lads.
Look, Sam's ready.
Yeah, Sam's ready. Sam's saying pose already. David, Cam.
I wouldn't mind going in goal.
Cam!
Oh,
Oh, there he is.
Now he doesn't mind going in goal. No, I've got two in it.
Took me 50 shots to get it, but I got it.
Hey, I got 2 more than I did last season. No, I'm equal. Equal?
Yeah.
It's all of us, isn't it?
Matt.
Oh, Matt. Hey, Matt loves. Hey, he puts them in the pack nice and early. Hey, welcome to Div 2 and 3. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Div 2. Just me and you, yeah?
Okay.
Sweet.
I haven't got my medal yet, bro.
Go, boy. Oh, yeah.
Down.
Coming for the top goal scorer one this season. Isn't it? This guy.
There we go.
This guy.
Who did it? Who else? Alright, well, Liam and H ain't here, innit? Alright, lads, well done. We've got the job done. Welcome to Div 2. Who's your man of the match?
In the end.
Man of the match.
What, me? No way.
You scored 2 goals. You have to.
Thank you.
All right, quick look around the leagues. As you just saw, we've done our job. We welcome Dynamo FC to Div 2. CLG getting an easy win. Crushed Potatoes winning as well. Let's see what that looks like on the leaderboard. As you can see, we're sitting very pretty at the top. 3 points ahead of CLG, who I believe we have next week. So it's a big game, first versus second. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.